Hi, I'm William Volker with the Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission, and I'm here to talk about landscape corridors and invasive species. Imagine that these two squares are native habitats in Florida. Now imagine that these dots are native species trying to spread to other habitats. Using landscape corridors, these species can spread to other habitats without fear of fragmentation or urbanization. According to the Resasco paper, invasive species can also use these corridors to spread and reduce native diversity. The red dots in this scenario represent an invasive species trying to push out the native species. You can see that the corridors help the invasive species move faster. Does this make landscape corridors bad? Not necessarily. There are many articles published by many respected scientists that suggest that landscape corridors both improve native species richness and reduce habitat fragmentation issues. Resasco's study was done on species of ants. This does not necessarily translate to all other invasive species, and the majority of invasive species are not spread through landscape corridors, but by human intervention. So while Resasco's findings are alarming, and we should be paying attention to them, it is not necessary to completely cut out landscape corridors as an effective conservation strategy. In conclusion, while Resasco's paper brings up excellent points, and we're glad that the public is taking an interest in matters of conservation, we do not believe that it is necessary to halt our current corridor projects. While Resasco's paper has scientific merit, it makes generalizations that do not necessarily apply to every situation. Furthermore, we request that the public make sure not to spread invasive species on their own time by not planting exotic plants, not releasing exotic pets, and not transporting firewood from state to state. This has been a Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation PSA. Thank you for listening.